Grandma's Cooking, Unveiling the Warmth and Wisdom. Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a heartwarming and flavor-filled topic, Grandma's Cooking. This phrase is not just about the food. It's a journey into the essence of home-cooked meals, tradition, and the love that permeates through the kitchen. Get ready to explore the rich connotations and cultural significance behind this simple yet profound phrase. Grandma's cooking doesn't merely refer to the act of cooking by a grandmother. It encapsulates a sense of warmth, comfort, and tradition. It's the kind of food that is cooked with patience, care, and years of perfected skills. Often, it's tied to family recipes passed down through generations, each dish carrying stories and memories. Across cultures, Grandma's cooking is revered. It symbolizes the love and nurturing of a family's elder, bringing families together and passing down heritage through flavors and recipes. In many societies, the grandmother is the custodian of culinary tradition, ensuring that the tastes of the past are preserved for future generations. The phrase "Grandma's cooking" also conveys a sense of nostalgia and comfort. For many, it's not just about the delicious food but also the memories of family gatherings, the stories told around the table, and the sense of belonging. It's about a time when food was not just cooked for sustenance but to express love and care. In today's fast-paced world, Grandma's cooking is a reminder of the importance of slowing down and appreciating the simpler, finer things in life, like a home-cooked meal. It's a call to preserve family traditions and to cherish the wisdom and culinary skills of the older generations. In exploring Grandma's cooking, we uncover layers of cultural heritage, family tradition, and the universal language of love expressed through food. It's a reminder of where we come from and what truly matters: the warmth of family and the irreplaceable taste of home. We hope this journey into the heart of Grandma's cooking leaves you with a renewed appreciation for the culinary traditions and the stories they carry. Bon appétit! Or as Grandma might say, eat well and be happy.